Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can blur out like a certain part of your video or your photos in CapCut PC. So for instance, there's important information here. I'm just going to copy and paste the video or the photo, go to effects, and you are going to search for the blur one. I already have it in my favorites, or it's just up here. Then you are going to adjust how blurry you want it to be. You're going to then select the video or the photo, go to mask and select whichever shape will work the best. I'm going to select the rectangle one because I just want to blur this out, and I'm going to feather it out just a little bit so it doesn't look super like weird. But that's pretty much it. If you want to like use videos for this, let me just I suggest you using the circle one, and for instance you want to blur out just the face, you can do that, but you'll need to use keyframes because for instance the person moves, so you're going to move it to the right and here to the left, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Really, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!